Today, we will learn about the phrase dumb something down. It means to make something easier to understand. People use it when explaining difficult ideas. For example, a teacher might dumb down a lesson for kids. This helps students learn better. You can also dumb down instructions or explanations. It is a transitive phrasal verb. You can say dumb something down or dumb down something. For example, she dumbed down the instructions. Be careful. Sometimes it sounds negative. It can mean making something too simple. But often, it helps make things clear. You can use it in daily conversations. For example, can you dumb down the report for me? Remember, it is informal language. You should avoid using it in formal writing. Similar words are simplify and tone down. But dumb down often implies too much simplification. Practice using it with examples. Now try to use dumb something down in your sentences.